Have you ever wondered how Bitcoin mining works? It's a question that has fascinated many as they delve into the world of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin mining is an essential cog in the workings of the blockchain network, helping to maintain, secure, and synchronize the system. It's a complex process involving sophisticated hardware and a deep understanding of cryptography. But don't worry, it's not as daunting as it sounds. In the next few minutes, we'll demystify the process of Bitcoin mining. At its core, Bitcoin mining is about solving complex mathematical problems. Let's break that down. Imagine a vast digital landscape populated by miners. But instead of pickaxes and hard hats, these miners are armed with powerful computers. Their task: to solve intricate puzzles that lie at the heart of the Bitcoin network. These puzzles aren't your ordinary Sudoku or crossword. They're cryptographic problems involving a lot of number crunching and algorithmic gymnastics. These problems are specifically designed so that the solution is difficult to find, but easy to verify. Now picture this: thousands, if not millions, of these miners all racing against each other to solve the same problem. The first one to crack the code, to find the solution, is rewarded with a handful of shiny new Bitcoins. It's a digital gold rush, where speed and computational power are king. So, the faster your computer can solve these problems, the better your chances of earning Bitcoin. The tools of the trade for Bitcoin mining are specialized computers known as mining rigs. These machines are the heavy lifters doing the computational work that keeps the Bitcoin network running smoothly. The mining hardware you choose plays a significant role in determining how successful your mining operation will be. It's because these machines aren't just ordinary computers. They're designed specifically to solve complex mathematical problems at lightning-fast speeds. There are different types of mining hardware available, each with its own advantages and drawbacks. ASIC miners, for instance, are incredibly efficient but also expensive. On the other hand, GPU and CPU miners are more affordable but not as powerful. Efficiency is key here. It's about how much Bitcoin a mining rig can generate relative to the power it consumes. The more efficient your hardware, the more profitable your mining operation. Choosing the right mining hardware is crucial for profitable Bitcoin mining. Now that we understand the tools, let's dive into the actual mining process. First and foremost, the mining process begins with the collection of transactions from the network. These transactions are then grouped into what we call a block. It's important to remember that each block contains a list of transactions, a reference to the previous block, and a unique identifier called a hash. Next, miners get to work. They use their powerful hardware to solve complex mathematical problems. This step is what we call proof of work. The difficulty of these problems is adjusted to ensure that, on average, a new block is added to the blockchain every 10 minutes. Why is solving these problems so crucial? Well, it's the solution to these problems that validates the transactions within the block. It's like a seal of approval. Once a miner has solved the problem, they broadcast the solution to the network. Other miners then verify the solution, and if it checks out, the block is added to the blockchain. This is where the term mining comes from. Just like miners extract precious metals from the earth, Bitcoin miners extract new blocks from the complexity of mathematical problems. And for their hard work, miners are rewarded with newly minted Bitcoin and transaction fees. And there you have it, the complex but fascinating process of Bitcoin mining. So, what have we learned about Bitcoin mining? Firstly, we've unraveled the mystery surrounding it, understanding that Bitcoin mining is essentially a process of solving complex mathematical problems. The purpose? To validate transactions on the Bitcoin network and add them to the blockchain, the public ledger of all Bitcoin transactions. Secondly, we've delved into the crucial role of mining hardware. The more powerful the hardware, the quicker the mining. But remember, this comes with increased energy consumption and potentially higher costs. Finally, we've walked through the mining process. From the initial setup, through the ongoing maintenance, to the rewarding moment when a block is successfully mined and new Bitcoins are created. It's a fascinating yet challenging journey. And there you have it. We've shed light on the enigmatic world of Bitcoin mining. With this knowledge, you're now equipped to delve deeper into the world of Bitcoin mining should you wish to do so.